bia na ne crew to receive here say players ne nya ade omo ya ade obi ehwe bie tina sami gina on the spot ne say catch the videos na ye hwe kwane anyama fa so touch down ye wie ne say ne fa report no to aso fa mayen nti ye wia na ye wura house of folk na ye jai ha Lions and Gaka and Semino edi atoso nti Isaac Chum was a good evening as a majoso on your message ana ne kuzuko yokrom ne bie jana no so more fire no de gugugugu ho kama yes obi de wasandi audio sabri amete yi audio na me bobo okay and yeah samia tenas was no matter what Kotoko will be strong again Charlie okay no matter what Kotoko will be strong again ya mo fa ntutu ho Charles yeboa ni message anwumre ono so ede amayen eno no yenko na same ko duo tambe na ko na atmosphere ne te say e wa Asante Park
oh tino me da say me drew Asante Park be around 10:40 na ekobo 11 na me drew Asante Park enti me ko drew na enkofo gina obebre na owura mu ase school for na makwan enti owura mu a ano on gate na no mo STEM school bi on owura mu ano de akọ pitch ne so na mai kantankanta ni eye age afa ho nyina kama nti me drew on be 10:40 anopa no
okay na atmosphere ne te say
o tino me ko na enkrofo on mpa na se ugina gate no a na enkrofo gina on mpa
se be na no mo kafa Asante ho
ensema no mo kan se awo se enema yeden esisa
good
ha wo se enema sisa na woni manema ntino nyedika no my enko video 1 ne mo okay enu ni ene da so yi
page ni ni
yes
asemia na yemfuturu no
yes
enu ni
MP no
honorable
Obri
Yeboa
Kofi
Yeboa yes
honorable Obri Kofi Yeboa
ne moni
wa bon ho mo de o se no tino we nye ni aban ne bia e ono na bottom sika na ode ye ha ono na ye nti o we pitch na
so
yes eso
one size no so
eso ni stadium size ni be pepe so o here I say like ono na bottom sika na ode ye nti no
jiriko ko janko manager won
ya ko janko already bottom sika na oye Asante Park no we ni neat standard no o hempenifo no ono say we standard no osoro chain
de some we dey man ko de we na ko but
yes ni na no mo ye o ya ban
o different
we ni standard no osoro
wow
nti honorable Obri Kofi
Yeboa
yes
when I Subi
MP yes
okay
Subi MP
wow
why the power lawyer ni o yes
because no the way in na mo tete size so kitikiti bi na unhu
yes
but we dey sopa o say dey work no
yes
wow
yes eti honorable Kofi Obri Yeboa lawyer why the power was
oh nice
yeah mo na baso because so obi timi tu no bottom skirt yes standard pitch we and to artificial one
yes
the two no mo na we are na like Kotoko nya so for ana Kotoko the first team o mo ko boso bo
o mo tia no
okay ko etire no so ko onwie nto mia no ye was we wie ba o mia no ye sorry we wie ba o mia no but o say nura no ana Kotoko for ba so be special pe bia o be zero artificial so no be special no bring so honorable say no
wait me
da on ma wie ba mia no be Kotoko de me Kotoko
ni mo de atia no na ya bi
nti no beti ba be etire no so be etire no so na fort we ba one me hu se bia okay okay nti mo do be etire no so na menhwe se na eye ye be hu se fort we ba na fort me
video 2 ni
yes ti we no video 2 ni ti me after say page na show we video 2 me ko do on say na mo ye o wa che team no miensa no
sabe ba to ko team no mo na nkomo na de eyi na esuo na ye chance na de no de agye ho na ye no ye den
da be no ye chance ye kantan pillars ni bi finishing boga proof ni bi normal bi o mo da de shin tem ni bi ti mi fan say ye kantan no da agye ho
kabisa betu be zoom ya se me hu ni ya sum ni nje ho ni de me hu ni ye
okay
nti uwa chede ya hu
da wo gina kire o he inside
uhunu inside
wo gina kire o inside
uja kantan na chia uhunu inside okay
supporters ni nyina gina mo hwe ball no but because of say yen central nti o my privilege
o mo timi wura yi no so
but na say enya allow
baby kura you know teams in tite kura so pa o
yes a chire ni hana on betena baby a red the you know no
red no
on betena no
okay
ha anti say unity nti yemo yayi abaso yayi na her stadium
yayi okay
yayi
okay
bi obi hana yemo honorable no so na PA no Jennifer
okay
abana yemo na abaso pa ono so wabo adwuma pa
yanko video 2 enne da so
video 2 ni me kodru onom na coach na che team no miensa assistant coach no aw oye ono direct assistant coach no na ono gina one side ena ono so gina coach na musu gina one side ena Hamza esu gina one side team no ma chiche musa no
ba miensa we wani de gina side we wani de side
we gina no baby
ena da Facebook
yes
okay
Diago ejina one side ena Tinkler gina one side Hamza gina one side to mo ye we ni sa mo wie no ena odom nyina akogu center ena o kire omo tactics ball be so ball wenye we
o de ball na kire omo na
o de ball na kire omo
okay
to wie no ena na assistant coach Diago ono so ba bedel ono ba no ono be kire set pieces say na ball free kick say na ball passes ena woni ma nyina
asa de ni bi no ye de free kick to ade abo ahye no
anto ono na kire corner kick free kick gina say tim eye Tinkler no ko gina one side ena no hwe na assistant coach no eye Diago no no ye adwuma ni nyina nto mo ye no so be for be 30 minutes first wo be di ka bo corner kick we bo corner kick na corner kick no mo bo no o ma laterals na bo corner kicks no o se na o kick ball no eno no o kire kire mtu o kick ball na wa mo ni ye na abo abense fa ko ochi eno boy ya na eduru akire na weden was o wie no eno osama mo call pitch ni mfimfini ena oma ode ball ne to baby advantage point say be a free kick ba obetima bo ahye we ba we to be ball ekwan be fa say opia obi wuro obi ntem eno so assistant coach ni kire ni nyina o wie no ena Tinkler ne san ba back biom the Tinkler ne ba ye no ena Tinkler ne ba be J last one no so the catch the freak a corner kick ni nyewe no call free kick to wie no na Tinkler ne ba no be gina defenders ni free no o chom say ye bo free kick ya wo gina free obetima gina free but se say no so why on wo pie nipa na kakra na abobo na fafom ena on so kire ni nyina wie nto wie no ena omko gina center ena o wie omko gina place ni nyina ko gina center no east defenders be 3 ena oyi goalkeepers ni nyina ena o kire goalkeepers ye bobo ne ba so hwe bo bia bo ne ba na so ko achi wo hwe bo no ansa na wo pia abeden abeche bo no to o kire sa niam ni nyina wie na omopon enti ne ekosi wo no na o bo pon be around almost 12 almost 12 me ka se bia be aka na about 12 no mpon enti ye wie no se visa wo no a omfa okay one bro ni ba na otwam no
ana no not here you me call you know
okay
your first pajo no
abro ni ba no hu no
me hu no
okay
when it might be the network o say
football director na wife no
visa
fasa picture
no form
me no picture fa to so
o form pa
yes onu ni
o form
onu gina so sounds me so me gina mu bi eto hwe baby a wo no o ho ye left na o baby a wo no ho ye left we left na Diago assistant coach ni Tinkler ena o ma hwe baba ya fenison stadium no so eye AstroTurf no so no o ne gina o ena ya yi gina o ena abena Jennifer onu on a special assistant to the MP no tuntum no
okay
ena Tinkler wife ni gina
ho no
oh sorry men's wife
menzo okay
yes ha nti omuni
okay
na asen ko o chewa o chewa ma ha
why
buroni ba no o chewa o se ma
na yo ba ha na wodi ka tra kwa wi
adu o ye ya o se na onim no nti o se kire no but we fine
na so ma na okwazo nya pino besua
fine woman ase ono be didi nkomo ono be sere kama eti se nti Diago ni wo no assistant coach ni very nice guy o ti asemo ase bibia kama nti sei ene etie eko ne o eye asim
I think Kotoko technical decisions in the top notch. Stanley Menzo, Eric Tinkler, and Diego. I think it's a bad idea. I mean, these are 3 top foreigners, and I'm able to transform affairs for Kotoko. Over, the team sometimes needs some additions when it comes to the foreign players. We hear additions, foreign players. We hear additions, foreign players. So, Kapi, foreign coaches number, and they are here to lay the foundation for Kotoko, and we wish them the best. So far, our Mujumedi. Sir, we will be our tight issue here. When it comes to issues of foreign coaches, Makama examples because I've been closer to some of them. Over and Obi me back then, there were no maybe an amebo boss. Sir, offer foreign coach, is yeah, yan intem. No, sir, you must send them. Now, I'm one team for free. Unless you don't understand, I think we can. Over go on bear honda. My more example, say to Zebu. I'm not blaming the
I'm trying to walk in now, sir, and I know community supporters and be over the pressure. I don't find all the pressure name at and penning for.
Yeah, then soon move.
Okay.
Ya be jina bon tie jina ho pe. Ya dem abi jina ade na no ne asa ba chiri pa. All those 3 stages nyina ye nim de wo. So sometimes when we are saying certain things, enye bibia wo. Number 1. On say ogum time ogum koye no. Na amon planning coach. Ogum ko prekope. So they need to go in for a coach. E ho no mo ko fa Zebo ba. Twisted ya Zebo ba no. That time na so mo ko Sudan. Into Sudan no report ebe nya say Zebo Jama Gazali. And I no te ebu an be picture me kan be not stance no hwe omo. Or the 2 weeks no dey hwe omo. Do ye coach ni kakra say na wontimi tena o coach o tena ebu etimi 2 say we no aba be ye bi. But me kai Kotoko ne Kadiogo and I'm kai Kotoko ne hat to food. Me na mo pitch side. Oba players ni mo kwa na Zebo ni mo mudi. And enya ne fault. Because ye mu bi no fa adwuma wa komu foforo. I introduce obi ama. Sometimes a bit me take 2 days to even know the names of some of your colleagues. Colleagues ni bi. Or if you are by up today, you try to be 3 years. You only people who am creating momodi. Obeka say bi ani need direct contact. But for nipa be 30. Near do akoba bi prekope. Na usi obi adi. Enya dwuma ketwa for the foreign coaches. And it's not just their name. To even know their abilities, it's also not a simple job. And what study foreign coaches now? Normally, for assistants. So there are few coaches that normally trust the assistant and the judgment of the assistant. Because foreign coach be about.
You're right.
Sometimes I'm person breaking it down by Yankasi Abrabo. So your opinion or institution Diana. It will be the capi babe catch no different. The idea of our babe catch is different. It was information I be bring when you panasum. So with time no I start to compare the watino as against the behavior of Nipan and the catcher no to know whom to trust. It easy ma foreign coaches no even with the adaptation and some implementation of their tactics about unless you don't know. Kapi, unless I win a bidder. Mini Polak. Lugarozic. Oh. Baratuba Krumasenewa. Baratuba Hasenewa. It wasn't easy for him. Even sometimes the people, supporters to even trust around him was even an issue. In Tubenya, ni papa mua. Oba kabenya ne papa mu a kadipa ne mbrantem timen komo nyina ye ombrantem and obi otie me bia no hu say at the point ye gitum say Kotoko season ye over emfa Kotoko enko yie omobere no over no mo bibia nye yie no. The point that I was saying was that some matches ne maye mbo ne kwa some matches and boss matches ne kwa Obio team biana meka. But let's just hope for the best. The communication, it will take time. Communication, it will take time, kaka. Over your place, Nibua, on say an uncle for fun and normal. Over all place, Nibua, your interview da. Any bro for a place, Nibika. One place, Nibia, your interview, near bro for footballers, Nibika. Netty instruction. It was a hitting. It was our language, you know. I had no blue hand over. At the end of Ombe, hunting all camp. Ombe fan different. Over what I say. I am a fan different. I'm sure a football language. Forget about football language. When I'm giving you an instruction to do something specific, you must understand it. But let's hope for the best. Say we're in a pre-season. Into pre-season, or pick kwa, you know. They will definitely get there. I mean, they will get there. They will fix that communication barrier. I say, fortunately for men, you know, they didn't any French. It was a time as a buy some coffee wallet timber. They do every kind or Casana Maxwell Ajimine and age now. Now, Maxwell Ajimine, Akito, no woman, Casa. Now, exactly, no, actually, match room. So it takes time, but they will definitely get there. I mean, this is the first stage of the preseason where, with time over, they'll definitely push it and get to the top. Now, what's not match in idea? I mean,
Taboni.
Oh, say I because first your preseason results win here. It's true. Results win here. But there's one thing that people forget. Preseason results, it boosts confidence. And then when young, but it's a boost to confidence, especially when the person is new. Of how I say, Asante Kotoko boy Bonnie. No mumbo Kotoko. I say mistake and call for you. Kotoko ne Benabo born here say. Benabo bo Kotoko. So if we want to move away from scoreline, born and kasana ye bono, where we are expecting progress, say senior player jet ball control no pass it. Now we swat no control no pass it. Now we are like you understand the movement, the fitness of the players. These are the key things that we are watching. But Benabo Nkola anime who say, "Omo fitness was stretching Kotoko players." How comfortable omo ye on the ball? Better than Kotoko players no. Stringing of passes and creating chances. Now me better than Kotoko players because in the game, the Kotoko team, especially their goalkeeper, needed to be the hero of the day. Should tell you something. And the enya resource nekeke. Eye die coach no ne say oba ye wachre. Ene die mrante ne betimi aye. And of how say ya. Coach na kasa senke wie ne say onye media interviewer. And can you realize that ka coach ne be break down here and say he was not impressed with the scoreline. And ye hu hwe kra na the body language of the coach was saying it. Enti after some days omaye changes kakra no ebony die ehu so enye hu over we are expecting improvement in fitness, improvement in total play, not just the scoreline, but they should be able to express themselves. We want to see Kotoko players expressing themselves on the field. Over these are some of the fine things that yeah pay the from all in Swane die no training grounds the over. If you've ever been around Kotoko training grounds, sachet water. Yes, they've been there.
Because MC Lisby Salam of around. What about the Kotoko have the country mineral water? So what happened?
Sachet water. Sachet almost.
Bottles.
Sachet dear. Whenever I feel say me bear.
By that them saying and you be a cry.
If you say me bear Kotoko. The man who they said when it comes to training grounds for the
what is sachet did
okay. Because of the cost of one bottle water and how the players use water during training, it is crazy. Send a players use they want to bear $10, wait see I know to be good has no
but we have never a match way to say the member training where you
normally on match days use sachet.
Yes,
they use the bottle water
to Asante Kotoko. Me no sure the should be something. me just say where dem me aka say na play hwe bi go mo ho and na say ntino okota ebeye ebia mfa wo sika na ba koto on Kotoko no money has no that's the advantage of over the king faces the mediumers and others but others say even medium man no poko atakwa say if there's a company you so they can sit down with them every crowd between halfway obi so unya 20 obi supply 10 no to 10 na mo de yeko branding is very important here. We say Bernard division 2 o kan wa say me no match no Bernard no use bottle water
ono ma no atu bia ma obi na obi so e de bi
na Kotoko yes place na Bernard players omo hwe bi ngomo so omo for margin call no so there's a petty things they can do for the teams it will not cost them much money some be you from pocket na some be from coffers mu it will come by itself but sometimes how ebia sponsor no crown or bar you treat you you see the point so Kotoko initially before I company now boy they had that company back here my business am my bia now most sponsor Kotoko na akasa be say duro chire so in most cases no over say obi be Edna Johnson dey be ball ho a say was a wo dwene pa na so do no so benya. But I don't do it anyhow. That's why they come and go. And they will end up taking this. For some of us, you need this car. You need to go. But you want to say, men, me feel say na men, you can do it.
So started hard years. They be out of that could go to 4-5.
Of course, because it has health implications.
Yeah,
and me free says me area. They be cost me no. A bro said they want to you know. And there's American. Oh no, Sammy as an individual, forget about being a journalist. As an individual, now you are as Asante Kotoko, big brand now. You be not player. You use such a water free. I'm not a Kotoko players near the big war. Send your face.
I'm for a canama brown.
Okay. Now I think it's a getting company on supply with Insudi.
And yet,
me, I bottle one. Because bottle your tons I want here to say. Maybe I said 4 cities, 5 cities. As a Nubino, not say, men say about 20 boxes per year. Football, so as yet, one.
Zach, with you, I remember when I never got a seminar to your
a few at Chinako, next week. You be Asante Kotoko. Tino, Yamana, ya church at all, the El Coso, the ABC, El Kotoko no. Next week. Some no a dewa some no a dewa na onim send there omu ye train wasema ejejena na onim say sana kan poku bayi the reason why ofuru Kotoko no pan it got nothing to do with Amza audio no a pure performance.
Okay.
Purely performance and
so that me chimu say it might be set my yeah I know cry e to me keke na no BBC wo paju that day na Stanley just a see from e baye na just the way na ni bo fu kasa kache tinkla na tin umo na mo so da bi sa nwumbre na mo take decision
Friday eti any issue about audio no dey call no ti no be crash here but the real reason why omo man call ya no any am the audio no but it is purely decision that but tino the matete pa no dey e me aduma next week umre nti ye be ye dwuma papa na asema meka next week no me di kan aka obed edika kansem bia na so bia adwun koso de matete no ene de besi no Kotoko should immediately the ombeso mo ye no appoint a PRO first.
Yes, nyama me know it might be say from a pebi ba bontino mo mpa obi obekam abana ye da na say de ebesi nso ehunti no mpa obi obechechire mu ye Momo
it can be the two but my me no so pepe enti no e was set obitimi ma supporters no etiase
sa
yes asemienzi
obi amade ma yinka mo David nka mo
e ba na speaker memo hu lista ekuta Stanley
wende
players a
ope
ekuta no na so Kotoko so for munya obi a last week me mama
no listen no mo bidia na obeto
say ye dia mano obe list that he inherited position bia 3 first second third choice first second third choice na mama player osun se Kotoko na dem person me bonus na Kotoko
enkoye empresu
tin last week be ojimo tino o za ara me ka me say
exclusive
asa ko kwete bia o za me ga me say redo ne intene da ko ba
batekasa
ana on kwete bia ya dia
sure
it's a bro na me aduma na suit ti bro mo na ntase tino na se ojuma ye
Amesha I say